Hi everyone, welcome back to Single Step English, where we help you improve your spoken English one step at a time. I'm Steve, and today we're going to learn about the expression, I'm game. I'm game is a fun and informal way to say that you're willing to participate or that you're up for something. It's a great phrase to use when you want to show enthusiasm or readiness to join in an activity. Before we dive in, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Single Step English, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a lesson. All right, let's look at some examples to see how I'm game can be used.
Hey Steve, we're planning a hike this weekend. Do you want to join us?
I'm game. Here's another sentence example.
How about we try that new sushi place for dinner tonight?
Sure, I'm game. I always like trying out new restaurants. As you can see, I'm game can be used in various situations to express your willingness to join in or try something new. It's a versatile and handy phrase to have in your English vocabulary. Now it's your turn. Try using I'm game in a sentence and leave it in the comment section below. I'd love to see how you use it. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.